Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Sea Ray 2021-23 SPX. What a phenomenal boat this is. It's powered by the new Mercury, 200 horsepower. It's a little rocket ship. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 23 SPX. Let's start at the back of the boat. Really nice, very large sun pad back here, so it gives you plenty of room to hang out in the back. But the storage, back in the day when we used to have the inboard outboards, the engine was in the back of the boat. Now that we have the outboard, we've got, instead of the engine, we've got huge storage. So you've got two tables with designated storage on them with the legs, but deep. Anything beach chairs, you name it, you got plenty of room for everything. So then we have L-shaped seating. So very comfortable here. You've got one of the tables goes right in this area right here, and then on this side you got opposing seating, and then the back of the front seat will go like this, so you can actually lounge facing backwards. So really neat feature on it. As we move to the head, so you've got a pump out head, so you don't wherever you get your fuel, you'll be able to pump it out. So it's big enough. Especially for a 23-foot boat. And we've got the 9-inch Simrad. Really, when you have this, you don't have the old gauges like we used to have, so it's really nice and neat and clean. And you got the Fusion stereo, top of the line stereo on that, with a really nice, comfortable Sea Ray home seat. As we move to the bow, you can seat 4 people up here comfortably, 2 nice lounges. And then you have your ankle locker, and but just a comfortable all-around boat. So you get a nice big bimini top on it. It rides really good. Fast boat, hops right up on plane as well. So if you got any questions on it, would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.